welcome to February. This has been a great week already as we continue to celebrate at all of our schools Black History Month, and we capture the voices of our community and within our school district. So please keep posted for all the wonderful things that are coming from our schools. Also want to share that this week was Happy Counselor Week, and so we thank our counselors for all that they do to support, to advance, and to make sure that every one of our students have the classes they need to be able to meet their hopes and dreams when they leave us in the post-secondary world. Also want to share with you that it is LPAC testing, and so that's our English Learner Proficiency Exam, and so please wish your best of luck to all of our English learners who are reaching English proficiency, and so we wish them luck as they start taking their tests. Equally important, yesterday we had a visit from our county superintendent, Dr. Gus. We were able to visit several of our schools. We visited El Sal Middle School, North Salinas High School. We also visited our Mission Trails ROP Center. We visited Rancho San Juan, and we also visited Mount Toro Continuation School and Carr Lake Community School. So thank you to all of our team members who opened their arms and welcomed our county superintendent. Also want to share with you today, earlier, we're part of a featured Bright Futures celebration. So the County of Monterey looks at our data and they recognize excellence when they see it. And 6 of our schools were recognized earlier today for advancing post-secondary success and enrollment and many other things that they're doing at our schools. So please join me in celebrating 2 of our middle schools that made growth, and that was El Sal Middle School as well as Washington Middle School. And we celebrate 4 of our high schools that also made gains in post-secondary access, and they are Everett Alvarez, Salinas High School, North Salinas High School, as well as Alisal High School, who made it actually in 2 categories. So thank you to all of them for all the work that they do. This month is CTE Awareness Month and CTE Celebration Month. So Career Technical Education is all of the classes that we hold so in high regard when it comes to a career right out of high school. So thank you to our Mission Trails ROP Center, to all of our schools who have career technical education pathways. Some of you may not know, so I'm going to share that we have hospitality, we have the culinary arts, we have digital, animation and broadcasting, we have firefighting, we have paramedics, we have dental careers, we have medical careers, we have nursing, and so much more. So please pay attention to our social media, as this month we highlight excellence throughout our district when it's getting our kids for careers. And so that's it. That is my message for you this week. Want to share, looking forward to next week on Tuesday, we have a school board meeting right here at our district office. And we also next week on Friday, we have a lunchtime community collaborative where we invite our partners in our community to come and share what they do so that we can be a much more and well-informed, educated school district. So thank you so much for listening to this week's message. I want to thank you for all that you do as partners, and thank you for choosing Salinas Union High School District. We are an awesome district, and we appreciate you being a part of our lives. Take care, everyone, and we'll see you soon.